Central Bank of Sri Lanka says that several banks and finance and leasing companies have shortlisted potential merger and acquisition counterparts and are carrying out internal evaluations on such companies in keeping with the CBSL's plan to consolidate the financial services sector. In a progress update for the month of March 2014, the CBSL says that considerable progress has been made in the consolidation process during the month.
The central bank says that in addition to the shortlisting of potential merger and acquisition counterparts by other financial services institutions, the National Development Bank PLC and DFCC Bank have entered into a memorandum of understanding in order to proceed with their merger process. The CBSL says it has approved in principle certain possible consolidation activities amongst a few banks and finance companies. The CBSL further notes that several audit firms appointed by the CBSL to carry out due diligence and valuation of the companies are in the process of finalizing their reports. In the meantime, the central bank says that several strategic investors have indicated their willingness to infuse fresh capital to some of the banks and finance and leasing companies. The CBSL says such investments are expected to strengthen the balance sheets of those entities and that the CBSL has also granted approval in principle for such strategic investments. The central bank notes that over the past few days, in keeping with the central bank's request, banks and finance and leasing companies have commenced submitting their broad plans on consolidation and greater participation in economic activities, adding that the CBSL will within the coming week review these plans and issue suitable responses thereafter.